Hey Grateful Gang, I need y'all to lock in with me because I'm about to dress this bag up, okay y'all? Now I'm going to tag everything that I dressed it up with. I ain't get them from nowhere but Amazon, but I will let you know y'all. So y'all make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to my channel, and stay locked in because it's about to get real cute, okay? Alright y'all, so I am not on camera today because I just got the shower, y'all. I waited for all this stuff to come from Amazon. They took all day, which ain't normally what they do. So I thought I was going to be able to get this video out earlier. I was definitely going to get real fancy on y'all. But I got to get this video out to y'all today. So let me show y'all how I did this bag. Y'all remember this bag, right? Is it everybody's favorite or not? It's my first. It's my first Rowan. Y'all see I got plenty of bags. I got plenty of Coach bags. And some others, but I got about, I don't know, 13 Coach bags. I think this makes 13, but yes, we are definitely Coach down. I'm not Coach down, y'all. I can't fit their clothes. They hating on the big girls too, but y'all, we gonna hook this up. Now this, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because this is not cost for right now, y'all. This is just gonna be a real short, quick video because it ain't gonna take me too long to go ahead and put this together, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started, y'all. I think I'm gonna start off with the hardest part, which is gonna be a scarf, y'all, because I got this big behind scarf that I want to show y'all. Let me go ahead and close the bag up. I wish I had the pillow that was initially in the bag before they took it but I don't have it no more. So here's my lonely little package from Amazon that I got today, and I got me a cute little scarf. Y'all see that? It's huge. I need them to be bigger than this though, so I can actually wear them as shirts. Y'all see those girls do the cutesy little shirt thing? Okay, I'm gonna just fold this down though and get it ready. Yeah, we're just gonna do like a triangle thing situation. Alright, and then I'm gonna just keep on folding down like this just to make it skinnier so I could fit it on the handle, because y'all know this is where it's going on the handle. And I only got one because normally I was gonna use that scarf on my fake Birkin back there because I have two of those, but I decided that that is probably not gonna be it because I wanted it to have a little bit of red. The animal print got to match the red somehow, because just animal print on this bag is not given, right? So I definitely wanted to make it make sense. All right, but let me see. I think this is thin enough. I hope it's thin enough. That's as thin as I'm gonna get it anyway. Okay, so y'all see what I'm working with right now. So what I gotta do is try to see if I can get it through this little hole right here, and I should be able to just fine. Alright, it's not staying as thin as I wanted it to stay. And you see how it's becoming bulky right there? That's what I was a little bit afraid of because the scarf is so astronomically big. But it's cool, it worked. So I'm gonna just strap this around and try to pull this as tight as I can because I need it to make it all the way over here on this side, right? And y'all, this is awkward for me because I don't really decorate stuff. I don't even decorate my walls for real, for real. I'm not an interior designer. I'll leave that to somebody else when I get my, you know, my just dues. But y'all see what I'm doing? I'm just going up. I'm not doing that tie method because that's going to take more fabric away. But I am rolling this pretty darn tight. Okay? All the way up the bag. Yes. But I say that looks pretty good so far, right? Y'all think I'm doing okay with it, right? I think so. I mean, I'm satisfied with what I see. So I'm just gonna go around all the way until the end. I'm a little bit short on one side, it looks like. I don't like that. I think I'm gonna go around one more time. Just to about right here. And then we're gonna tie it right here in front. That look good, don't it? I like that. So it's definitely giving red with just a little bit of animal print, right? And I think I'm gonna go one more knot. I'm gonna just put a little knot in it. And you know what? I think that, yeah, this is cool. Let's just go there. Let me knot it this way because that's longer. I don't know how y'all feeling about that, but I'm pretty satisfied with it. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and grab my chain to go with it. Let me see here. So I'm gonna go with this gold. It's really, really dark gold. It definitely feels plasticky. We know it ain't real, so I don't need anybody to tell me it's not real. But I wanted it to be so dark because of the hardware. It's pretty dark to me, so I was like, yeah, let's go with some dark. I like that. All right, and this is gonna hang too long, right? Hold on real quick, let me get that on there. Okay, so y'all see it's hanging too long, right? Or I could really leave it like that. I don't think it's gonna, yeah, it's not gonna go under the bag. I could leave it like that, but I want the charm to, or the chain to actually show pretty well, so I'm gonna have to pin it up a little bit somehow. And I got another chain for that, so we good. I'm gonna use this one. And y'all, I don't even know if I bet I had this one. I might have got this one from Shein. But y'all, I'm gonna just tag this one over here too. But this one is shorter. It's not gonna reach all the way over there. So I'm gonna hit it right here. And at the same time, I'm gonna take this and lift it up as well, because I want, you feel me? I want it to like hang below that. Oh, that's almost perfect, right? Let me get this on here. This is where it becomes a little bit of, oh, not too much of a challenge. But y'all see that? Ain't that cutesy? Oh my goodness, I love it. I love that. Okay, so then I got one last thing, but I don't know. Do I even need anything else? I don't know, but I got this. What y'all think? Y'all think it probably goes better here? Oops, let me get it on here. Because I could put it on the side, but yeah, I think it goes best right there. Right? What y'all think about that? Y'all think it looks good? Or did the cherry throw it off with the diamonds? Should I do cherry or diamonds? Or see, if I just do cherry, if I do take the diamonds off, it's going to knock this chain down, which I don't want that to happen. So yeah, I think we better leave it like this. Or maybe y'all think without the cherry, I think it looks better. It actually kind of does look better without the cherry. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna leave it like this until y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think, okay? All right, y'all, bye.